Yes, we were discussing the algebraic expressions. In that, we have seen monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomials also. And please don't disturb the class. And even we are here to discuss further more things regarding algebraic expressions. We have seen addition of algebraic expressions. Yes or no? And we have seen problems. And today in this class, I want you all to solve the problems. Okay, so I want you to solve these algebraic expressions and I want the solution from each and every one. Some of you have, I'll ask particularly individual one, I'll ask individual one to listen here.
Now, sir.
Yes, now we have the one with you.
Question.
Questions are here on the board, on the screen. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? Okay. Main question number 3. In main question number 3, add the following. Yes. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Not listening. Sir, not audible, sir.
It is audible, sir.
Sir, not audible, sir.
Not audible, sir.
Is it now?
No, sir.
Not even now?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir. Audible, sir.
Yes.
Audible.
Fine then. Now you just go for the solution of the problems. Number 3. And the main question number 3, among that, we should go for the second problem, I think. Yes, first one is done.
Yes.
So what was the result of first one?
0 plus 0 plus 0.
We got 0.
0
plus 0 is again 0. Okay. Finally, we got the value as 0. Then the second one. Now start solving the second problem.
Sir, solve it, sir.
Huh?
AB plus BC plus AC.
CA or AC? Both are same.
CA.
Have you all solved it? Have you all solved the second problem?
Yes, sir.
A minus B plus B. How many terms are here? How many expressions are here? Here 3 expressions. Okay. After following these 3 expressions, what the answer you got?
AB plus BC plus AC.
I'll just ask particularly. I'll just ask particularly. Omkar. Omkar,
Sir.
have you solved?
No, sir.
Do it. I know that many of you have not done. I know it. Now I'll give you 2 minutes time. Quickly, do it now.
Sir, come
Yes.
What, sir?
Main question number 3, second problem.
Sir,
Yes.
AB plus BC plus AC.
Read, sir.
Plus AC or C?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
AB plus BC plus AC.
AB plus BC plus BC.
Ved.
Yes, sir.
Ved or Vedant?
Yes, wait.
Ved. Okay, I want you to open your videos and show it to me on the screen like this. That we have
What,
solved.
sir?
Show me the answer where you have
What mean,
solved.
sir?
Huh? I know it.
Sir, should I show?
Okay, let me see. Who has told it just now?
गर्मी लगी है.
Okay, whose is it?
Sir, it's
Preeti.
me, Pratiti.
Pratiti, sorry, huh? Pratiti. Okay, I have seen it. Okay, then anybody else? Huh? Okay, turn your video on and show it to me.
Videos are offed by the host, sir.
Okay, no, it is not.
No, sir.
No, your videos are not host by the not off by the host.
No, sir. It is by host, sir. It is not open.
Whose video is it? Who?
Disabled our videos, sir.
We can mute you. We cannot disable, I think.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is disabled, sir. You can see, sir.
Yes, sir. Disabled.
Okay, fine then. Not a problem. So, have you all solved the problem?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Dhruva,
Yes, sir.
done it? Okay, I want you to solve third problem also, quickly.
Solved, sir.
Also,
Who have done it, okay, not a problem. Who have not done it, for them I'm saying 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. 5.
Whole exercise is done, sir.
You have done complete exercise.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Few of you have not done, I think. Okay, not a problem. I'll do them all.
even me, sir.
Hmm?
Subtraction not done.
Okay, addition have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I ask?
Yes, sir. Full done.
Shall I ask individually?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Arpita,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for third?
Minus 1p square q square plus 4pq plus 9.
Minus 1, minus 1 p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. Correct answer. And shall I ask further about for the fourth answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I didn't understood fourth one.
Third one you did not understand.
Fourth,
Who is that?
me, Venkat.
Venkat. See,
Yes, sir.
so look at the third problem. That is what I know many of you are not understanding. Just when I ask to solve the problems, you will not be able to. See here, in this
Fourth one, sir.
fourth one you are saying,
Yes, sir.
but you solved the third one.
The third one also explain, sir.
You want me to explain third again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Once,
Sir.
please, sir.
Okay, I'll do the third once. Check it. 2p square q square. 2p square q square. I'm writing square like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Minus.
मेरे को पुरानी वाली पुष्ट
Hey.
होना बदे बोले नको पुरानी वाली
Minus 3 pq plus 4. So where has it gone? 3 pq plus 4. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Then to this, what should I add?
5 plus 7 PQ minus 3
So
P
first
square.
you better go for the similar terms. Similar what? Sorry, like terms. Minus
Sir,
minus 3 p square q square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then
yes, sir.
then plus 7 p
PQ. Plus. And 5, sir?
plus 5 at the end. 5 is with the plus sign. Is it or not? If there is
Yes,
no
sir.
sign, what the sign should be there?
Plus.
Plus. Remember it.
Plus.
Okay. Then finally, what do we get the answer as?
And PQ 1 P square Q square plus 10 PQ
Plus 10.
Oh, yes, same. See here,
PQ.
we are adding these two, right?
Plus 5. Plus.
Minus 5 PQ.
Minus
So
1 PQ.
since we are adding this, there is no change of sign. Do we need to go for change of sign?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why?
now 5 will come below 4
Yes.
and how at the end the answer will come 9.
I'm not hearing you.
What
What is she asking? Why the 9?
How 5 can become?
See here. Okay, I'll say it. See, listen to me. I'll solve this problem. Here. 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. So among 2, you have to remove 3. You have 2 rupees and you are supposed to remove 3 rupees. Is it possible? You have to spend 3 rupees out of it.
No, sir.
So it is not possible. You will have to go with 1 rupee loan.
Minus 1.
Minus
Minus 1.
1.
minus 1
P square Q square.
q square.
Square Q square.
Okay, then see here. Then you have to, okay, 7 rupees are there with you. 7 PQ are there with you. In that, 3 PQs are removed.
4 PQ
4
plus
PQs are-
4 PQ.
yes,
Plus
4
4
PQs are with you.
PQ.
That means plus 4
PQ.
PQ.
So why plus? Because 7 is bigger, and that too, if you want to directly understand it, 7 are there and 3 has been spent. So
Yes, sir.
4 PQs are left.
PQs are
Then, and plus 4 plus 5
plus 9.
plus 9. Got it now?
Yes,
4 plus 4 plus 5, 9. Why the 9 is not been typed? I'm trying to type 9, but it is not being typed. Wait, wait. Okay, fine, then it is done. Okay, did you understand this?
Yes,
You
sir.
all got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Fourth one,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes. Fourth one,
Okay.
sir.
So, okay, look at the fourth one now. What is that? L square m square, m square n square, n square l square.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have the answer for fourth one.
Okay, then let us go for 2
Even I
ln
have, sir.
Even
2 plus 2 ln. What is the answer?
Even I have, sir.
What is the answer?
2l square plus 2m square
No.
2L square
square plus 2m square plus 2n square plus 2lm
Hmm.
plus 2mn plus 2nl.
So can we take 2 2 outside from them all? Common. Everywhere 2. Is it or not?
We should put 2 outside the bracket.
If you want to can take 2 outside the bracket. If not, you can write that much itself. See here, it is very easy. 1l square, 1 more l square.
square plus n square plus n square.
Yes, see here. 1l square here. Are you able to see?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1l square with plus sign and 1 more l square with plus sign. Total 2l square. So with the plus sign, both are with plus sign. And 1m square here
Yes, sir.
and 1 more m square here. Both are with plus sign. Then m square plus m square 2m square.
2m square.
So then definitely plus n square and 1 more plus n square. All together. So 2l square, 2m square, 2l square plus 2m square plus 2n square. So definitely further LM, MN, NL. Are these similar terms or are these like or unlike terms?
Like,
Like, sir.
All three are unlike because LM,
Yes, sir.
NL. Sir, in this M is there though, here also M is there though, definitely it will be like. Is it? No. Both the variables should be same. Then only they will be like. Okay. Fine. Then the answer is. What is the answer?
2m square
2l square plus 2m square plus 2n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl.
Yes. Somebody was not understanding. Have you all understood it?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Then shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Then we will go for subtraction.
Sir, I have answer for first one.
First one subtraction. What
I
is,
also have.
yes, I will ask particularly one by one. Don't say the answer yet. Okay, to whomever I ask should answer it. If not done, I'll give you 1 minute. Shall I give 1 minute time or 2 minutes time?
Yes, sir.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, do it. I'll give you 2 minutes. So you are supposed to answer them. I'll ask individually. That fellow should answer this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't reveal the answer it.
So will you teach multiplication of algebraic expressions today
Yes.
only?
Yes. Today itself.
Okay. And tomorrow will be a test, no, sir. Exercise 9.1.
Yes, after completion it, I will say you whether it will be there or not, but you get ready with that.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes.
Sir, question I got answer.
Yes, just get ready with the answer. Don't say me. Don't reveal the answer. Don't say it yet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So subtract. Yes.
I have already done, sir, everything.
Okay, that's fine. Not a problem. If you are there with the answer, just be quiet. Let others to do it. So subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. All are unlike terms. And from
Yes, sir.
a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Okay. So here in this second one to be written at first. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Second one to be written at first and then first one at second. And the second sign should. Yes, see here. This terms its sign should be changed. Wait, don't see the answer yet. I'll ask individually. Sign should be changed. Remember it. It will be multiplied by minus sign. Minus 4a. What will it become? Minus 4.
Minus 8a.
Minus 4a plus
7ab
Done, sir.
minus 3b
7
minus 2.
Minus 12.
ab
3b minus 12.
minus
3b.
3b. Do it. Keep ready with the answer. Minus 3b
Did, sir.
minus 12.
Sir, plus 12, sir.
Sir, over.
Why plus 12? Already 12 is with plus sign. The change of sign will take place for the second term. I mean that first term itself. It will be written at the denominator. Is it or not? I mean not the denominator, below. Sorry, not denominator, below. So if the word from comes, the second one will be written at upside and the first one will be written at downside. Is it or not? Below. So second the sign will be changing because subtract. He has told to subtract. You have to use minus sign and multiply complete equation by minus sign. And then you go for 12a minus 4a.
8.
Okay, don't tell the answer. Okay, wait. I'll ask individually the answer.
Yes, sir.
But particularly I'll ask it for who is eyeball? Eyeball slide blaze. Who is eyeball?
I, sir. I present.
Present means name?
Tasmir.
Tasmir.
Tasmir. Can you answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, answer.
4 and 12, sir. Plus 12.
4a. Answer. Complete answer.
8 is, sir. Minus.
Minus 8a.
Plus, sir. 16 is, sir.
Sir is telling to tell complete answer.
You tell me the complete answer. Final answer. Your final answer.
My final answer, sir.
Yes, your final
Sir,
answer.
my final answer. Sir, still I am doing, sir.
Yes, sir. Do
Still
it
I'm
quickly.
solving.
Do it quickly.
Sir, can I say?
No.
Sir, may I?
I will ask to him only.
Okay, sir.
Only. What is his name?
Tasmir.
Tasmir should answer. I'll get the answer from Tasmir itself. Nobody else. Yes.
We will do
Sir,
B1,
got it,
sir.
sir.
Yes, say me.
Sir, 16m minus 2ab plus 5, 6 plus 9, sir.
Is it right answer?
No,
No,
No. What mistake has he done?
Sir, shall I tell answer?
Okay, wait. I'll ask
Sir,
Tasmir.
can I say, sir?
So look at the first term. Look at your first term. See, 12a minus 4a. Among 12, in 12 you are removing 4, not adding.
Minus 4a.
Yes, 12a minus 4a. What do you get the final answer?
8A.
There you have done the
8A.
mistake. Check it once again. Check your answer correctly. I'll ask particularly
Yes,
next.
sir.
Wait. I'll ask.
Sir, me, sir.
No, not me.
Yes, sir.
Can I? Can I answer, sir?
Satish. Is he there? Satish. I'll unmute him. I think I have muted. Satish. Okay. He is muted. Okay. Shreya. Even she is muted.
Actually, sir, he is having some problem with the system.
Okay. I have unmuted all. Even after that, if you have problem, then let us check it with it. Okay. I just want to ask this question for Vinay.
Yes,
Vinay,
sir.
answer this.
Sir, 8A plus 2AB plus 2B minus 9.
Wrong
Sir,
answer.
answer is wrong, sir.
Wrong answer.
May I?
What wrong here is
8A minus,
Sir,
yes.
minus 2AB.
8A minus
8A minus 2AB plus
Plus 2A, 2B.
plus 9.
yes plus 2B
Minus 15.
Plus 2B
minus 15 is the
minus
right answer.
8 plus 9.
Minus
No, not plus 9. Not plus 9, not minus 9.
Minus
Not plus 9, not minus
Minus 15.
minus 15 is the right answer. Minus 15 is the right
Minus
answer.
15, sir.
Here, I say the answer, check your all answer. I will repeat the answer.
Yes, sir.
8A,
8A. Yes, sir.
8A minus 2B. Sorry, minus 2AB. That is AB.
AB.
8A minus 2AB
Plus 2B.
plus 2B minus 15.
Minus 15.
Is it? See here, I explain
No,
it.
sir.
I explain
Sir,
it.
minus 15, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why minus 15? Anybody?
Plus means plus means, sir.
See here,
Yes, sir.
minus 12.
Because minus minus will be plus and the
Minus
sign will
12.
remain
Sir,
same.
it is plus 12, no, sir.
Why is it plus
No,
12?
sir.
Say me.
It's minus 12.
In question, it is plus 12, no, sir.
In question
And
it
you
is
will-
plus. So what have we to do to the first term here, first expression here?
Subtract.
Subtract. You have to subtract it from second expression. Is it or not? Then what happens to the second
Yes, sir.
expression? Sir, I mean to the first expression. What happens to the first expression?
We should multiply minus with
Yes,
whole
you have to multiply with minus sign. So see here, 4A turn to minus 4A. 7AB turn to minus 7AB turn to plus
7B.
3B turn to minus 3B. And same way plus turn has turned to minus 12.
Minus 12.
Yes, got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We should multiply with first expression, sir. Why not second expression?
Yes, this is the thing I have told you before. Okay, I think I had explained it in the yesterday's class.
Minus 4A.
Okay, shall I?
Plus-
Do you want me to explain it once again?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Not a problem.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
explain this one more problem. I'll explain. This is the last problem I'm going to explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since you write the second expression and first expression, see here, subtract the first from second expression. That means second expression should be written at first and first one should be written below this, since there is a from word. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Subtract 10 from 15. What do you do?
First we will write 15, sir. Then we will subtract 10
Yes.
from it.
15 minus 10.
Same way here. Second term first and first term second. So see, if I say you, see, this is interesting. Observe here. Subtract 10 from 15. I have used 10 first, 15 later. But also you're writing 15 first and then
Minus.
and then you are writing 10. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
what
sir.
should be the sign along with the 10 now?
Plus.
Minus 10. Is it or not? Subtract. The word subtract says that along with the 10 you are supposed to write minus. Why? Of course I have used the word just I just said the number 10 itself. I did not say minus 10. Is it or not? Even though I said it as 10, why did you add minus here?
Because we are subtracting.
Yes, the word itself. I am using the word subtract. That is the reason I must sign minus there. So 10 has turned to minus 10. Is it or not? Are you understanding?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
Sir.
okay, ask me.
Understood, sir.
Yes. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, if you are doubt, ask me once again.
Sir, can I take second one answer?
No. Just see here. Do you want me to explain the first one?
Sir, question went.
That's okay. I have hidden it. Wait. See, second one I'll write A minus 9 AB plus 5UB minus 3. Is it? So,
Yes, sir.
so this is like this generally. I write it like this. Okay. And this is subtracted. Is it or not? With what?
3xy.
No. 4a. First one I'm sorry. 4a minus 7 AB. Then
You are solving first one, sir.
yes, 3b
Yes, sir.
plus 12. Okay. So what is it equal to now? So I am here. I have to remove the brackets here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am supposed to remove the brackets. I must remove the brackets here. So these are the two expressions. There is a minus sign in between. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here, first expression has no any sign before it. Is it having any sign before it?
No, sir.
So what will it be containing if nothing means?
Plus.
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 Multiplying plus with anything is same. There is no change. Therefore,
One.
it will be. Therefore, it will be having no change. Like it will remain as 12a minus 9ab. It will not change its sign. Plus 5b minus 3. This is as it is. Then
Minus.
yes, now
Minus 4a.
minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus into plus.
Minus.
Minus 4a. Correct? Then now minus into minus. This minus is belonging to complete bracket. Minus
Plus 7ab.
plus 7 AB. Then now minus into plus. Minus
3b.
3b.
Minus 3b.
Then minus into plus. Minus.
Minus 12.
Minus 12.
12. Now
12.
find the like terms.
Minus
12ab minus 4ab. 4a.
12a
12a minus 4a.
Minus 4a minus
12a minus 4a. Is it or not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
12a
sir.
minus 4a. Among 12, remove 4. In 12, remove 4.
8a.
8 is left.
8.
8 is plus or minus now?
Plus.
Plus 8.
Plus, sir.
Not minus. Because 12 are there with you and you are removing 8 from it. Sorry, 4 from it. Sorry. 12 are there with you. Among them, you are removing 4. In them, you are removing 4. So you will be left with 8x. 8 it means positive. So 9ab minus 9ab minus 9ab
7ab.
plus 7ab. Minus 9ab plus 7ab. You are
Minus
not-
2ab.
Yes.
Minus 2ab.
No. Listen to me. Understand first. You are lack with 9ab.
Minus
You are in
2ab.
see here. Listen to me completely. You are in need of 9abs. Minus means you are in need. Minus means
Yes, sir.
you are in need.
We are
You are in need of 9abs. But you get how many abs you are getting?
7.
7 abs. Then are you satisfied?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Still there are requirement. There is a requirement. How much? What is the requirement?
Minus 2b.
Requirement means minus. Minus 2
ab.
ab. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then 5b minus 3b. 5 are there with you. And you are removing 3 out of it.
Plus 2b.
Plus
2b.
Plus 2b.
2b. Then minus 3. You are requiring 3. And you need 12 more. Total how much you are in need?
Minus 15.
Yes. You are in need
Plus
minus 15. See. 3 is negative. Already see here. Why the minus increases? minus in minus itself increase. Why? Because think that you have walked backward 3 steps. Think that you have walked 3 steps back, 3 steps backward, and further you are walking 12 more steps backward. 12 minus 12 means 12 more steps backward. Understand? Minus means backward. You think that you have walked 3 steps backward, and then again you are walking 12 more steps backward. Altogether, how much you walked back?
15.
Steps backward. Backward means minus. Understand?
Minus. Yes, sir.
Yes. Is this answer? Have you all got?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one, third one. Do it quickly. Huh.
Sir,
Second one did, sir.
Third one also did.
Yes, somebody is saying. Somebody is raising something. What?
Can I tell the answer?
Wait.
Not of the
Second one.
Wait. Redmi. What?
Sir, second one got sir answer.
So somebody is asking something. I don't know who is it.
science.
Swaroop.
Sir, I have a question. It is not
Yes.
from algebraic chapter, but it is from an integer chapter.
Okay.
Why all the negative integers are on the left side and positive integers on the right side?
Of course, it is a meaning itself like that. No, why negative is negative? Because it is negative. We cannot say anything.
Negative
We
are
have
considered at the left side of the number line, and the positive are considered at the right side of the
so something. See, it is generally done. We cannot say why. Okay. So to understand something, we need to make its format, right? See, if you keep on imagining where is minus 2, where is minus 2, so we need to have at least one of its place.
Yes, sir.
So if you think 0 as origin, I have considered my 0 as origin. So from that, if I start walking towards the right side, I thought that I will get positive values. And if I start walking from a negative sides, I will get left side, I will start getting negative values. Like that, it is being assumed. Understand? Okay. And like that, it is being assumed in the sense framed like this.
The number sides cannot be flipped, sir.
It can be splitted, but you cannot take minus 2 only I'll take and keep it at the plus side. No, it is not possible. You can complete number line can be interchanged. Again, you will get a different quadrant itself. Again, the change of quadrant
The
will take.
numbers only, sir.
Yes.
Positive numbers at the left side and negative numbers at the right side.
Yes, that can be done. That can be done. There is no problem. It is depending on you. But one thing is, it is standardly considered that let the positive be positive, right side and let the negative be left side. So that everyone will, if you follow the rule which everyone follows, is it easy to follow or difficult?
It is
Yes.
easy, sir.
It is easy. Somebody says that. You say I say that I will use plus sign for easily understanding. You use addition, some other different sign for addition. I'll use plus sign for addition, and you use some other sign for addition. How many of they understand?
Nobody, sir.
You will have to keep on explaining everyone that this is my sign for addition. This is my sign for addition. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
So when universe is accepting, the right should be positive and left should be negative. Let us accept it and go for it, so that we will.
Yes, sir.
It will be easy to us. But it doesn't matter if you reverse it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. So I said to you initially itself, in mathematics, few things are assumed and accepted. Okay, if you do not accept, you cannot proceed. There itself, you will say there itself, why, like that. You will have to accept and proceed. Okay. So will you do second and third as assignment? Shall I go for the multiplication?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I spent
Great,
much
sir.
time here.
Second, third.
Okay, if you have done it, not a problem. You just take it, snap, and send it to me.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I already sent, sir.
Okay, that if you have done it, if you have sent, a few of you I have seen only one who has solved these also and sent it to me.
Sir, I have solved, sir, and I have sent, sir, but it is
Sir,
showing
even
only
I
as
solved.
getting up.
Okay, not a problem. You have solved, that's well and good, and send it to me today. Okay.
Sir, that picture certificate that is done by Cam Scanner.
Cam scanner is acceptable. I'm saying, Cam scanner is acceptable unless it is PDF format or JPG format. If it is other than
Sir, you
JPG,
said
yes.
Sir, PDF image or
Yes, you just scan it and save it as a PDF file, and then send it to me. Understand? Or else save it as a JPEG file and send it to me. Better, very easy idea is to take a photo and send it. No confusion at all.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Very easy technique, very easy idea. Click a photo and send it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no confusion at all. But definitely JPEG, I can see it. Okay, now we will go to the concept multiplication. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I have left with very less time. I'll just explain the concept multiplication. You all know it what multiplication is. But
Yes, sir.
once again, I'll explain what is the multiplication. Multiplication is moving in two directions. Multiplication is moving in two directions. See here in the dot patterns here. So horizontally, how many dots are there? 4 dots. Vertically,
9.
9. Totally, if you keep on doing this, then totally how many dots I find?
36.
36.
Yes. So without counting, I can say how many dots are there in that complete box. How many dots can fix in that complete box? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. This is what multiplication is. It provides us. What does it provide us?
The information.
What if it is appearing like a rectangle? It will be a length. It will be a breadth. What does it totally provide us? What does it totally provide us?
Sides.
Total area, sir.
Yes, definitely area. What does it provide us?
Area.
Okay, remember multiplication of two numbers will provide us area, kind of area. That means length into breadth will provide. If you multiply three numbers, it may be there. I think it is not there. If you multiply three numbers, one in length, one in breadth, one in height, so it will provide us volume. So that I have told you when I was solving in what is it called? Some formula, basic formula we were discussing that I have shown you. Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
4 into 9 into 3 into 3, 9. It will give us a square. Is it or not? It's some rectangles, 2, 3 are 6 rectangles we got. So this is what the multiplication says. Okay, I'll proceed. Already I have explained this. I'll proceed with these things. So here one interesting thing is shown to you. Observe this. Here, what interesting thing is one dot. See horizontally and see vertically. First, let us see n vertically. Sorry, horizontally. How many dots are there?
8.
How do you say 8 dots?
Where, sir?
See here.
No, sir. We cannot say that is an
Yes, we
variable.
don't have the number of dots given here. Dash 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 means there are no fixed number of dots. It is not shown how many number of dots. Even see vertically. Vertically. 1, 2 after that dash 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 and last dot is visible. Then how many are there? Don't know. Is it or not? We are not knowing horizontally how many dots are there and vertically also how many dots are there. So then altogether, finally, we don't know how many total number of dots are present in that.
Yes, sir.
Is it or not? So to say that we don't know how many dots are present in that. So just let us take it may have horizontally around n number of dots. Vertically around
108 dots, sir.
m number of dots. We don't know n along vertical horizontal n and along vertical m. Then total m into n. How much ever the n may be, how much ever the m may be now. If n is 10, m is around 8. What will be number of dots? 80. That's it. For m into n, total number of dots will be 80. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Are you not understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Listen here. Around, if you don't know particularly how many are total number of dots in the box, or total number of dots in that pattern, we just use m along horizontal and m along vertical. Just multiply m and n. We will get total number of dots. So if n is 10, m is 8, 10 into 8 is 80 number of dots. If n is 100, m is 20. How much?
2000.
2000. So need not to count the dots now. So m and n are not fixed. These are variables. Why m and n is used here?
20.
No. Why M and N are used here? We are still studying about algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions in variable. Is it or not? So variable is nothing but this. We don't know how many definitely. Understand? Definitely, we will not be knowing how many are they. There the reason. So this is the one example given to you. So algebraically, we will write the multiplication in the form of M into N. Okay, M and M
Yes,
are
sir.
not known to us. If you write the
Yes, sir.
value, total number of dots are available. Same way, if we have one side N plus 3 and another side M plus 2, vertically you have M plus 2 and horizontally
N
you
plus
have
3.
N plus 3, or horizontally N plus 3, vertically M plus 2 and N plus 3 into M plus 2 or M plus 2 into N plus 3, both are same.
Yes, sir.
Multiply whatever it is, don't worry. M plus 2 is multiplied with N plus 3. How to multiply, I will tell you later.
Yes, sir.
And for subtraction also, get here. So this diagram is generally seen. Are you able to see this diagram?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'll explain quickly. Look at this diagram, which is put in the box. Okay. So actually, the non-dotted rectangle, the rectangle which is without dots, observe that. What is its length? L. What is its breadth?
B.
B.
Okay. So breadth is reduced. Is the breadth reduced?
Yes,
The dotted lines.
Yes, sir.
Minus
Dotted
3,
lines, breadth is reduced. How much it is reduced? It is observed here.
minus 3.
B minus 3.
Observed for 3 times, 3 units. This reduced to 3 units, maybe centimeter, meter, millimeter, whatever it is. C was a length, and among B, 3 are removed. Among B, 3 are removed, means minus 5, minus 3. It means it is reduced in its breadth. So what has been done to the length?
So it is increased, sir.
If it is increased, it means it is added by 5. What has it done?
Plus
Added by 5.
Added by 5. So totally product will be the dotted rectangles product will be
B minus 3 into L plus 5.
yes, L plus 5 into B minus 3 or B minus 3 into L plus 5. So initially, what it was initially without the dots,
L into B.
L into B was area. When you change its size, B to B minus 3 and L to L plus 5, L is increased or breadth is reduced. Then the product again will be L plus 5 into B minus 3. See here. So L plus 5 into B minus 3. So this is what we need to understand about
Multiply.
multiplication of what?
Algebraic expressions.
Okay, algebraic expression. Why the algebraic expression like this? Why do we get an expression? Is B minus 3 one algebraic expression?
Yes.
Look at B minus 3. Is it an algebraic expression?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Same way, L minus L plus 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is also an expression. So we are multiplying them. So this is what we have to understand. Initially, we know that what is multiplication? L into B. That means if two numbers are multiplied, it will provide us area. Definitely, it will provide us area. Is it or not? If L and B are not known to us, if both the sides are not known to us, L is written L and B is written B. So if B is reduced, L is somewhat. L is added or reduced, L plus or L minus. Then these both are multiplied to get area. Understand?
Yeah.
Can you think of the volume?
Yes, sir.
So can you think of the volume he has asked? I just told you before itself. What volume provides us? Sorry, what a 3-time multiplication provide us?
Volume.
Volume. So 3 algebraic expression. L like L plus 5, B minus 3, H plus 3 or H plus 2, something. Are you getting? If length, if its length is L plus 2, if its breadth is B plus 2, if its height is H plus 2, then product is L plus 2 into B plus 2 into H plus 2.
H plus 2. Yes, sir.
Now what does it provide us?
Volume.
Volume, definitely. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at fourth property here in this. So see here, price of bananas per dozen. What is the price of banana per dozen?
P.
We don't know. P rupees. Rupees P. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We don't know how much it is. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees. If you go today to the market, you will find it around 40 rupees. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We don't know how many rupees of it. P
Yes, sir.
rupees. P rupees is per dozen of banana. Then if you are going to the picnic and you want to buy Z dozens, how many dozens?
Z
Z
dozens.
dozens. Don't know how many dozens. Z dozens you want. then what? How many rupees you are supposed to pay?
Rupees P into Z.
Yes. Why P into Z?
Because
The price of bananas into we need.
Here, very simple. I shall explain.
The price of
one
bananas that we need.
for one banana, 1 dozen P. For 2 dozens. For 2 dozens.
P2.
2P.
2P.
Is it or not?
Yes,
For 1
sir.
dozen, P rupees. For 2 dozens,
2P.
2P rupees. And 3 dozens,
3P.
3P rupees. 4 dozens,
4P.
4P rupees. 5 dozens, 5 rupees. Likewise, Z dozens,
C rupees.
ZP means Z into P multiplied. That's it. 1 into P, 2 into P, 3 into P, 4 into 5, P, 5 into P. Likewise, Z into P or P into Z. It is commutative.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here also the multiplication comes. Okay, here also we need to understand about multiplication. Okay. So price is little changed now. Second case, in the second case, price is little changed. For 1 dozen, it is 2 rupees. For 1 dozen, he reduced to 2 rupees. How many rupees he has reduced from?
2 rupees.
2 rupees.
2 rupees, sir.
Okay. And you want, before you wanted Z dozens, and now you want 4 less than Z dozens. That means 4 dozens less. Think that initially you wanted some dozens.
-4.
Yes.
Z -4, sir.
P minus 2, Z minus 4.
Yes. Is time up? 2 more minutes are there. Okay. Okay. So therefore, for 1 dozen, P minus Z. For 2 dozens,
Z.
2 times of P minus Z. Sorry, P minus 2. Sorry. For 1 dozen, P minus 2. 2 dozens, 2 times of P minus 2. 3 dozens,
3 times of P minus 2.
4 dozens.
4 times of P minus 2.
So Z dozens,
Z times P minus 2.
Z times P minus 2.
P minus 2.
Yes, I want not Z dozens. I want 4 dozens less than Z dozens. That means Z
Minus 4.
I want Z minus 4 dozens and price is P minus 2.
P
So
minus 2.
P minus 2 into Z minus
P -2 into Z
minus 4.
Z minus 4. Understand?
Yes, sir.